Easy one this week, guys, called the Vietnamese Banh Mi sliders. You can get it done in 15 minutes. Check it out. Alright guys, so I really love this recipe. It's so easy to make. You don't need a lot of ingredients. What I've done is I've done this banh mi. It's a classic recipe. It's a classic Vietnamese food. You can find it all over if you visit Vietnam. But with a little twist, I've actually made this instead of using French baguette. I've just used multigrain country loaf bread, and it's so easy. Check this out. See what I've done.
Alright, so first things first, you'd want to add in some coconut oil, garlic, and red onion into your pan at medium-high. Stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then add in the beef slices and stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until it is cooked through. Then add in the red chilies, coconut sugar, and fish sauce. Give it a final stir for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then remove from heat. It's time to build your sliders. All you gotta do is line 1 slice of bread, add in the beef banh mi mixture, cucumber slices, lettuce leaves, kaffir lime leaves, and chopped coriander. Give a really good squeeze of lime. Top it up with the other slice of bread. And poke through a toothpick so that the slider don't move. And you're ready! Enjoy!